MCPSS IT Department Tech Videos replacing UF55-65 lamp. Facing the projector, look at the left side. You will see a panel to be removed. Use a number 2 screwdriver to loosen the screws in the lamp. Grab the lamp handle and remove the lamp. Use canned air and spray the projector, not the lamp housing. Just as you remove the bad lamp, slide the new lamp in. Tighten the screws. Install the lamp cover into place before turning on projector. Using a smart remote, press the button combination: down, up, left, up. A menu will appear. Locate and press enter on reset lamp hours. Safety is important. The lamp may be hot. Please do not stand on a table or chair. Power off the projector and remove any hazards around you. Tools needed: stepladder, number 2 screwdriver, a smart remote. Call the Smart Help Desk for assistance at 221-6410. Option 3. Place a work order for a lamp, then update once received and replace. Thank you for watching, and check out our other videos.